Hi, it's Tangi with Boots and Beats Line Dancing. Today I'm going to teach you how to dance the line dance called Down. It's by, the song's by Jay Sean. So this is a throwback song with a new line dance. And it's a 32 count, 4 wall. There isn't a level marked on the step sheet, but I would say it's about an improver line dance. So let's get started with the first set of 8 counts. We're going to start with a wizard to the right. So we're going to go step, behind, and then wizard to the left, step, behind, and. We're going to do a pivot with the right foot, right, pivot, and then one more time, right, pivot. So all together to count, it's going to go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's work on that second set of 8 counts. So right after our pivot on the first 8 counts, your right foot goes right into a right sailor, left sailor, and now we're going to prep, we're going to bend, hitch up with your left, bring it down, hitch the right, up, and do a quarter turn before you put it down. So together, that's going to look like sailor, sailor, prep and hitch, prep and hitch. Okay, let's do that second set of 8 count, 2 counts. So it's going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put the first 2 sets of 8 counts together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's work on that third set of 8 counts. So we were facing 3 o'clock. Now we're going to side rock to the right, side rock, and we're going to weave to the left. So our right foot goes behind, left foot goes out, and cross. Okay, so that was a side rock, behind, and cross. And now we're going to do the left side. Side, rock, left foot goes behind the right, right goes out, and cross. So just a little bit quicker, it's side, rock, behind and cross, side, rock, behind and cross. To count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's the end of your third set of 8 counts. But let's go ahead and put the first 3 sets together so we can memorize, and then we'll do that last set. So starting with the top on a wizard, 5, 6, 7, 8, wizard, wizard, pivot, pivot, sailor, sailor, prep and hitch, side rock, behind and cross, side rock, behind and cross. Okay, let's work on that last set of 8 counts. So we just got done doing our cross. Now we're going to do 2 kickball change on the right foot. So we're going to go kick, step, step, kick, step, step. All right, that was a right, right, left, right, right, left. And to finish the dance, we're going to do some boogie walks. You're going to go right, left, right, left. For styling, if you got good knees, you could go down right, left, left. Probably a lot better than I just did. Let's go ahead and put those, that last set together. So we went kick, ball, change, boogie walks, right, left, To count, the last set, it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're ready to go right into that first set of 8 counts. Wizard, wizard. Okay, let me back up. Let's start at the top and let's do all 32 counts together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Thank you for joining me today. Again, I'm Tangi with Boots and Beats Line Dancing, and I will see you dancing down on the dance floor. Till next time.